so cold today outside, it's incredible. In line with what I talked about a few days ago and all the backtesting I'm doing, I thought it would be interesting to talk about how do you know when you really have an edge in the market. One of the things I get asked frequently is how many trades should you take until you know that you're consistent and that your strategy works. There's no clear answer to it. I think you constantly have to reevaluate your edge and constantly be testing if you still have an edge in the market. But one quick answer is going to be, it doesn't matter how many months or years you've traded, it's always going to be a number of trades. Because taking 3 trades a month and seeing that you have a losing month doesn't mean anything. You only took 3 trades. And who told you that you could be profitable after 3 trades? Or even after 10 trades? So I like to see things in an increment of 20 trades for myself. Every 20 trade, I'll go back to reevaluate how I performed. And that's how I base my trading result. On this channel, I'll try to review my trades every 20 trades. Because looking back at it every month doesn't really matter. When it comes to backtesting, it's kind of a different thing. It's usually more easy when you backtest to get more data. So why not go for more data if you can get more data, right? That's like a basic thing. I like to look at about 100 trades. Based on these 100 trades, I can make a decision whether this works or not. Before going further though, I need to give a shout out to one of my academy members who's been completing a full strategy recently. He's been through the whole backtesting process of different things that I've been teaching, with some things he's added to it, and that is the key. Very rarely are you going to see 2 people trading the exact same thing. They're going to have their different things that they add to it. And that's going to make them feel more comfortable, and it's going to fit their whole personality better. But you really need to have this set of data that you can rely on, and that gives you kind of a clue of what you can expect in the market. And things might not turn the exact same way, but at least you'll have this beginning thing. And don't forget that you still have to adapt every single day that you trade. You still have to be able to tweak things as they go and change and become different. But 100 trades is really what you need to get the confidence. If you have more than that, try to understand what happens. What's the pattern? Do you see big ups and big downs? Or do you see big ups and then a few downs, a few pullbacks in your profit, and then it keeps going over time? But you need to understand which one you have and whether it's going to be possible for you to stand this in the market. And platform these days like MetaTrader gives you a whole series of data. You see what your average losing trade is, what your average winning trade is, how big of a drawdown you can expect, and really how many trades you should have in a drawdown. And don't forget that you really need to compute your risk of ruin at this point. That's going to give you exactly the percentage you can risk per trade and how much money you can put on the table whenever you trade. So I hope this is valuable. It's been a short video today. It's been really busy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's evening right now. And give your comment below if you have any comment or thought. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.